Everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane. Today we'll be having a look at Coldstack. What is Coldstack? Coldstack is a decentralized cloud aggregator. Uber for cloud. Can you imagine that? An Uber for the cloud of storage. So first to market aggregators of decentralized data storage such as Filecoin. I've actually made a video on Filecoin before. So if you go onto Coldstack website, this is what you'll see. They give you a live demo, or you can get a light paper. The light paper is basically a simplified version of the white paper, and the white paper is a much more advanced version of the white paper. There's different levels to it. So light paper is just a simplified version, and of course they give you a live demo if you want to check that out. A live demo is essentially features of Coldstack storage service. Your wallet must be unlocked before uploading any files. They go into all of that details. This is not financial advice. I must mention that to you guys. It's not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, so I simply can't give financial advice. But everything you need in one place: Filecoin, SIA, storage, BitTorrent file system, Arweave, Lambda. Let our AI find the best decentralized cloud for each of your files. So essentially what Coldstack was do is essentially help you find the best storage for your file, depending on what kind of file you want to store. So what is Coldstack? Coldstack, the simplest, fastest, and most affordable way. Coldstack. What is Coldstack? The simplest, fastest, and most affordable way to unleash the power of decentralized cloud for companies for the projects within the crypto space and beyond. So where do we start? We start with Cloud Aggregator. Simple and seamless integration with the all-in-one platform, unified API for easy data storage and retrieval anytime, anywhere. No data migration needed to switch between decentralized cloud. How about the NFT supported? So built-in option to tokenize any uploaded files. Use ERC 721 or ERC 1115 NFT standard. Universal digital asset storage for NFT marketplace. That is unique. So now you can store your NFT on digital cloud. You can store them safely on digital cloud. That's amazing. I do like this idea. It's revolutionary because it changes the way how you can store your NFTs, how you can hold your NFTs and keep it secure and keep it safe. So just to mention to you guys, now Coldstack is still in its ICO. So that's its ICO upcoming. It's still in development, and the ICO haven't fully launched as of yet. So there is a token distribution, of course, 10% to the team, 69.5%, almost 70% to the foundation, and the seed sale is 12%, private sale is 7.5%, and public sale is 1%. So, and the tokens that are for sale is a measly 500,000 tokens that are for sale. So you know that naturally it's going to be really hard to get your hands on these tokens. Not to mention the token is 50 cents. It's 50 cents for one token. That's $0.50 US dollar. That is. So there is a personal cap at between 200 US dollars as a minimum buy-in and 500 as a maximum buy-in. So this will be interesting. I will be watching and following the sale very closely. So for the wait list from the 6th of May to the 8th of May, you can obviously check that out. This is to participate in the ICO. So the ICO does seem to be closed at the moment. Just to let you guys know, from the 6th to the 8th of May, it looks like the registration is closed, and that's understandable. It was only open for a couple of days because there's only 500,000 tokens. Those are going to sell out so fast you won't even be able to imagine it. Here's a unique thing about Coldstack. It features a unified Amazon S3 compatible API, which allows users to easily access decentralized storage solution by utilizing the CLS token. Which is CLS token is the Coldstack token. Users gain access to nearly any decentralized storage and no longer require to research the particular strength of each service, in addition to comparing costs. With our implementation of Amazon S3 API compatibility, they also allow individuals to access these services through an interface they are already familiar with, further streamlining a user experience. Users can also access a wide range of files permission and create their experience based on their data storage needs. The unified API will create easy data storage and retrieval that will possibly be from anywhere to any time. And not to mention, we've already spoken a little bit about the NFTs, and that interests me a lot, because it says NFTs also add another layer of complexity and fragmentation to decentralized storage. Now, as these must be stored on their respective network and marketplace, the platform as NFT supported, allowing users to tokenize any uploaded files in these formats of ERC. So as it currently stands, the Coldstack platform will be the only way for users to store bulk data with the Filecoin, 4K photos with storage, web page with RV, and a list NFT open with OpenSea and Rarible, all with one token. That is so amazing. That is so unique, and I can't wait to see how they integrate this, how well this goes. I'm kind of excited, to be honest. So let's go into the next thing about Coldstack. Design for decentralized finance, so transparent, immutable, and cryptographically verifiable. So large hybrid data assets like payout schedules and token bonding curves. Web3 based all-in-one experience for unified data management. So cold storage. Best suited for cold storage data, Amazon Glacier or Google Coldline. Cold data is rarely used but must be stored for a long time or even forever. 100x cheaper and relatively slower than usual storage like Amazon Cloud. So how does it work? Now this is where it gets really interesting. We've already spoken a little bit about the tokens that will be up for sales. Like I said, it's still in its ICO, so it's still in development. So it hasn't fully launched yet, but we're going to be having a quick look at how it works. We're not going to be having a huge look because no one's going to really understand this unless you're a programmer. It's going to be a lot of boring stuff, but we're going to try to stick to the important stuff. So AI-based pipeline funds the most suitable decentralized cloud for every file. So no matter what file you have, they will help you, or an AI that they build will help you find the best storage for your specific file. If you have a 4K file and it needs to be stored properly, efficiently, you don't want to lose any frame rate, they will help you find the best storage supplier to store that particular file. So the main purpose of cold storage is to store and retrieve user data in a stack of cloud via unified data exchange API. So, which is 100% compatible with Amazon S3 API. That allows any projects to use any AWS library or SDK and start to use their system without significant integration effort. So they'll publish an open source library with AWS S3 compatible API to the most decentralized storages. Users of Coldstack storage system will save up to 80% of storage costs, which our API-based pipeline will help to do. So that's interesting. Over 80% you can save if you use Coldstack. That's what they claim. It's yet to see if this has been confirmed. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. Yeah, this is just for educational purposes, but for the interest of all of us, I have to talk about everything that they put into these paragraphs. So why would you choose Coldstack? Why would anyone choose Coldstack to store their data? And why is it a good cryptocurrency as well? So affordable. Like I said, 80% could be saved. This is what they claim when it comes to cost. The best price guarantee, our API-based technology allows us to keep the lowest data storage cost and download fee in the industry. So easy Amazon S3 compatible API to store and retrieve your data with any decentralized cloud storage, simply seamless integration, and it's secure. 100% secure and security and privacy with a blockchain-based cloud architect. All the users are anonymous, all the data is encrypted. This is good. I like all three subjects that they talk about: affordable, easy to use, and secure. That's really good. Now, let's have a look at the use cases for Coldstack. Web3 infrastructure, we've spoken about that a little bit. Blockchain-based games, I want to talk about this a little bit. So Coldstack can help game developers with cheap and reliable storage for archive data about the player's activity. It will make all the payments and rewards more transparent and audible. NFT marketplace. So Coldstack serve as a affordable digital asset storage for any NFT marketplace, especially for large files. Their NFT name, NFT CLS, is compatible with major NFT markets such as SuperRare and OpenSea. OpenSea is a huge NFT marketplace, and SuperRare is indeed a huge marketplace as well. And SuperRare is actually a really nice website, easy to use, very minimal, and it's very seamless. DeFi service, decentralized services. So Coldstack can store and retrieve large hybrid data for DeFi services like payout schedule. We've spoken about that a little bit. I'm not going to go through it again. Most of this data is infrequently accessed but must be stored for a long time or even forever. Yeah, we've gone through that already. So let's continue. Like I said, blockchain games helping developers to store information on user activities, and NFTs supported with SuperRare and OpenSea. Perfect. So we'll have a look at the roadmap as well. This is a team, CEO Alexandra Sisho and Victor Nagesev. That's the CTO, AI and cloud architect Denis Vorobiev. I don't think I'm pronouncing their name properly, so I do apologize to any of these individuals because I'm not pronouncing their name properly. This guy has 15 years of experience as a product leader and business development expert, right? Chief of product at Prometheus Lab, decentralized network for data monetization, founder and ran 3 AI-based companies. Very impressive, and that's just one paragraph. Head of decentralized cloud integration in Prometheus Lab, responsible for data mining and analytic. So 10 plus years of experience as a software development team leader, AI, big data expert, and blockchain architecture. So, and this guy, AI and cloud architecture, is the main lead at the company at Coldstack. AI developer at Scorch, hybrid cloud, multi-cloud cluster, cross-platform neutral network, execution environment, 7 plus years of experience as a cloud engineer, AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. These are all cloud storage companies that offer cloud storage, design and implementation of cloud solutions. So these individuals, they have an extremely well-adverse portfolio, and they're very experienced in their own field. Marketing and strategy expert, Eva Wisher and Vladizar Senjovnos. I'm pretty sure I'm not even close to describing this person's name. My goodness, I need to work on my pronunciation. I do apologize, guys, but we haven't got time to we have not got time to debate just how terrible I am at pronunciation. Let's just go to the roadmap, okay? New step can be added at any time to the roadmap due to technical improvements. Q1 of 2021. Now we're in May. Q1 is gone. It's long gone. Integration of Avi, Lambda, SIA, decentralized storage, proof of concept develop, and POC live demo deployed on Ring B testnet. These are all been accomplished because Q1 is already passed. Now we're looking at Q2. Integration of Filecoin, store decentralized storage, launch a private beta of minimal viable products, implementation, blockchain integration to provide a MVP for the marketplace and decentralized finance. So that's what they're working on right now in Q2 of 2021. How about what they'll be working on next in Q3? Q3, integration of extended set of decentralized storage. Launch a public beta of MVP, extended data storage for feature for decentralized finance, POC. And at the end of the year in Q4, full launch of product, implementation of Binance Smart Chain. That's very good. If you take advantage of Binance Smart Chain, your business will profit, and EOS as well. Launch of cross-chain bridges, EOS, BSC, Ethereum, and EOS itself. So this is good. I like their roadmap. I like what they're trying to do. They seem to be heading into the right direction when it comes to cloud storage. It's exactly what I like. And if you go on their website, it's very simple to get a full understanding of what they do, what they're trying to achieve. So I do like this. Like I said, they are still in their ICO, and that's actually upcoming. So you have to remember, registration of the ICO is closed, but the ICO itself is still upcoming. It hasn't happened yet. But if you want it to take place, you can't because the registration is closed. So I do apologize. Now, like I said, it's not financial advice, but I always look at these cryptocurrencies as if it can 100x. Unfortunately, I don't know yet because it's not fully launched. So I wouldn't know if this cryptocurrency can 100x. I don't even know the complete supply of the cryptocurrency, of the tokens that there will be, because they haven't spoken about it on their website. However, that's the least of my worry. What I'm thinking about now is the things that they've mentioned, including NFTs and their storage, how they've implemented it with other services, and how they will be helping to store NFTs through NFTs marketplace. I really like this idea. I think this idea is a brilliant idea, and it's going to be very profitable. So I can't wait to see when they launch this thing fully. It's going to be really exciting. Like I said, I can't predict if it will 100x because I don't know. There isn't any market information. I can't have a look at any insight. I can't make a proper prediction. However, what I can say is that it'll be a very good cryptocurrency. The fact that there is only 500,000 coins for the token sale, it tells me one thing. Their tokens won't probably be in the billions. Their tokens will most likely be in the hundreds of millions of tokens. They won't be in the hundreds of billions, or I'd say 10 billion at the most, if it is in the billions, and I don't think it will be. I think it'll be in the hundreds of millions, which is good because that means that the price will go up faster in a shorter period of time. So thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hit that notification bell, and of course I will see you guys in the next one.